Hello everybody, this is Cap here, and I'd like to welcome you to another C++ containers tutorial. So in this video, we're not actually going to be covering a container at all. We're going to be covering a container adapter. And actually, for the next few videos, we're going to be covering container adapters. And the one we're going to focus on in this video is the stack. So first, let's talk about what a container adapter is. And a container adapter is pretty much exactly how it sounds. It adapts a container to act in a certain way by, blocking or changing some of its features. So a stack, for example, the default underlying container for a stack is a deck. So let's start by creating a stack here. Okay, so we need to say stack and then tell it the data type we want to store, which is an int, and then a name. So by default, this will create a deck with a stack adapter. You can also create a stack that uses a vector or a list as its underlying adapter or underlying container. Sorry about that. And these will work, just as well. So, for those of you that don't know what a stack is, it's basically a LIFO-like system. And for any of you that have taken a business course or an accounting class, probably have heard that in terms of inventory. And it works the same way. With an inventory, if you have a LIFO system, which stands for last in, first out, the last thing in inventory, the last thing you put in inventory is the first thing that you sell. So with a stack, let's say we add a 5 here, and then we add 12, and we add like a 3. Then if we pop something off the stack, it's going to pop the last element that was added to the stack, which in this case is 3. So it would pop that off of the stack. So let's add a few things to our stack, and we do that by using push. So now if we were to call pop, it would pop 5 off of our stack because that was the last thing to be added to our stack. So we can say s.pop. And then if we want to see what is currently at the top of the stack, we can say cout s.top. So it should be 3. And as we can see, it is. So the two other member functions that I'm going to cover are size and empty. And size, just like with our vector and our deck, just simply tells us how many elements are in our container, or in this case adapter. As you can see, there are 2 because we popped off the 5. Now empty actually checks to see if our stack is empty or not. So, that it's a pretty simple concept if you already understand containers. And, that's pretty much all I wanted to cover in this video. If you like this video, please let me know by hitting the like button. If you've seen a few of my videos and really like them, you can go ahead and subscribe so you can see when I post more. And I would like to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.